Hello, Old MacDonald. Come on, let's see his farm. And that's his dog. Oh, that's a goat. Bah, that looks like a baby one. Ooh, this is another goat, but it does not look like a baby one. Let's see other goats. Oh, these are the same ones. Now we have lots of goats. And a dog again. Let's say hi. Ooh, what animal is that? Now, this is a pig. That's a lot of pigs. Oh, these are taking a bath. I think that's mud. Oh, look at these two pigs. Wink, wink. These are so small and cute. And hello, dog. Now let's go see another animal. Ooh, that's a lot of... what animal might that be though? Ooh, that's a tractor. And a big one. Let's visit chickens. Cluck, cluck. Oh, those are eating. Yay! And a dog. Those are cows. Next, let's visit more cows. There are 2 cows. Hey, do you want to sing? Come on, let's go. A moo-moo there and a moo-moo here. Moo-moo, moo-moo everywhere. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Whoa, that was fun singing with you. Now let's meet some sheeps. Next, let's meet some rabbits. Rabbits, yay! My favorite animal. There are 2 brown rabbits. Ribbit, ribbit. I see 6 rabbits, and one just ran away. Instead, the dog came